Hi there, hope you're having a wonderful week, and I am so grateful you are here today. I am doing a product review and a demo for you. I don't know if you've seen this product before. It came across my Facebook feed a couple of weeks ago and it intrigued me. It is a product for the neck. It is the one area that we women of this demographic seem to be the most frustrated with. The neck is one of the first areas to show signs of aging, and it can be incredibly frustrating because sometimes we feel it limits hairstyles, it limits clothing styles because we want to hide our necks. So that's why this product piqued my interest, because it claimed to improve collagen and improve the tone and the look of the neck area. So maybe you've seen this before, and it's by Spencer Barnes, LA, and it's called Neck, Chin, and Jawline Instant Sculpting Wand. No needles, no filler, no surgeon, no kidding. Very clever marketing. So yeah, it got me, and there were many celebrity testimonials and people talking about what a difference it's made and this and that. So I made a purchase. And I want to give you a little bit of information about this product and do a demo for you. Now, I have to confess, I've been using this for about a week and I'm already seeing a difference. So my before picture is really after using the product for a week. So technically it's not a true before, but I am doing this review because I am finding that it's working. So take that as you will. But Spencer Barnes is a makeup and skincare expert based out of Hollywood. He works with many, many celebrities, and he produced this product. Claims to take up to 10 years off the appearance of your neck, chin, and jawline. And so what it is, it comes in packaging like this, and you take it out. And so it is a roller ball with a predetermined pump of the product. So one pump is all you need to dispense the product, and what it will do is it will push through this area, and then you take it and you roll it on your jawline area, your neck area, and you do it twice a day. You do it on clean skin first thing in the morning and at night before you go to bed. So I did the calculations. There are 104 doses per wand. So if you're doing it twice a day, you essentially get 52 days of this product, which is nearly 2 months. And that's how long it will last. It costs $89. So I know it's higher up there in the price scale. I want to put that out there, but $89 for 2 months and results. So you get to be the judge and determine whether this is something that interests you, but I at least want to show you how it works and talk about some of the benefits that this product claims to have and some of the things that I've noticed in my own skin. So like I said, you apply it to your jawline, your neck area. You do it twice a day. You may feel a little tingling sensation. I do. They say that's normal, and to just be patient with that. If it becomes too irritating, you can remove some of it, but they say the tingling sensation is the sign that it's working. It again is a product that will stimulate collagen production in your skin. What I have found with using this product is that the tone and texture of my skin is incredibly kind of creamy and smooth. Every time I touch it, even hours after I've applied the product, even after I've come out of the shower and I've washed my skin, it still has this very moist, creamy feeling to it, very soft always. So that's an interesting thing that I've noticed out of this. So let's see. So we talked about the tingling, and again, we mentioned that it builds collagen. It will achieve brighter, tighter, and hydrated skin. And what really intrigued me in this product, because I am trying to be as mindful and conscious as I can of the ingredients that are in products. So it is fragrance-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. So for those of you who care about those things, I'm happy to report that all of that was taken in consideration in producing this product. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to now push up a pump. Well, hold on. Maybe I need to do that. There, now I just saw the cream come. Okay, so there's a tiny bit of cream that's now come out, and I'm going to take this and start rolling it in my neck and my jaw area. Everywhere I want to have that benefit. It's very easy to apply. They say to press relatively firmly, so I will do that, and I will continue to roll it until all of the product disappears. Bring it all the way down in the neck. But what I do see, and I'll provide a before and after picture, but there is an immediate smoothing effect that takes place in the skin tone and the skin texture. That tingling lets you know that there's a little bit of tightening going on, but pretty quickly after applying, you do notice that your those horizontal lines really start to minimize. And like I said, after this product dries, and it takes about 5 minutes for it to completely dry, so I won't touch it for 5 minutes, and after I do this application I will stop the video and then I will come back to you in 5 minutes, and I will also take a picture and show you what it's doing. Okay, very good. So now it's completely absorbed, and I will give it the 5-minute time that it requests. Hold on. All right, time is up, and time for me to show you the before and after of today's application. Mind you, I've been doing this a week already, so there are already some benefits in the before picture, but you can definitely tell a bit of a difference between today's before and after, and that's why I was very intrigued and excited to bring this product to you, because I do see a visible difference, and that's very exciting. And now I'm just tempted to take this product and to now go south because I figure if it can work for the neck wrinkles, how about those chest wrinkles from the sun and all of that fun stuff. So anywho, I'll probably be burning through this product a lot quicker than 52 days, but such is life. You know, if something works, it works, and that sure is fun and exciting to see. Also, to let you know, really the next step in caring for the neck area, the chest area, would be what you would find in a dermatologist or a plastic surgeon's office. There are so many new lasers and radio frequency devices on the market. There's ThermiSmooth out there, which uses a radio frequency to build and create collagen. And it is a way more powerful tool than this, but what you have to do is you've got to weigh the cost differences. So while I said this is $89 per bottle, which should last you for 52 days if you apply morning and night, and you can do the math and add that up over the year or years depending on your needs, or procedures like ThermiSmooth, which on average runs about $1,200. So that's something that would have a longer lasting effect, but will cost more upfront. But the exciting thing for me to at least bring to you is A, there are many solutions for this area, and B, there are many price points depending on how far you want to jump or dive in. But I'm happy to say that there are many options for different price points, and that's really important because we're all in different stages of our lives of what we need and what we can afford to do. And so I don't want you to feel like there's nothing out there for me, because there truly is. And as you know, with my skincare regimen, and I do that mix of glycolic acid and retin A in my moisturizer cream, I always take that down on my neck and my chest area, because if it's working for fine lines and wrinkles on the face, it will do the same here. But really the issues that we have most with our neck and our chin area is that loss of collagen, that loss of elasticity. Everything starts to sag and not be as taut and as tight as we would like for it to be, which is why everything is very collagen focused on the neck and below, because the need is greater. Not to say it isn't for the face as well. There are many procedures that stimulate collagen there too, but again, it depends on what phase you're in at that point. So right now for me, it's been pretty much topical, but I will go to that next level if needed. But like I said, this little wand showed up on my Facebook page and I took the plunge, and I'm really happy I did. I do see the results from this product, and I think maybe if you're dealing with, on a minimal level, lines and wrinkling, a loss of elasticity, you might find some benefits from this as well. But this is an authentic review, and I'm happy to say that yes, Spencer Barnes LA is a 2 thumbs up. Comments and questions below. Let me know if you found some things that work for that area below, and if you've even gone a step further and you've done some of these radio frequency, Thermi Smooth, Thermi Tight. I know that this community is really interested in the neck area, because you reach out to me all the time and you tell me that the neck is making you crazy. So if we can help each other in this arena, I think that would be great, and I think you've got probably a lot to share as well. So please feel comfortable and feel free to do so below. This community is very warm and engaging, and who knows, you might make a new friend out of it. So with your smoothed out neck, go out, be bold, and be blessed this week, and I'll see you next Thursday at 1. Oh, and don't forget to follow me on social media, because we have fun there too. Bye.